Yeah, see it there? Flour and thing. You know, see when me in a pot. See how me chop my greens them. I chop up it, you see me? Chop, I call it. See how I color do there? Now go in the pot, you see me? See meat them season up and now. Curry me a look about, you see me? Banana skin them then I sink. See planting there. I drop in that shortly. And I say pot a bubble of dumpling. I have a spoon there. Alright. You see me I say dumpling them. Ready say. See banana there. You see it? I might move man. Dumpling and thing in a pot. Now I say we got it locked. The boyfriend and a fool in it can cook, you know. Alright. Curry this. Yeah. I have this all purpose. Still have some chicken. This ginger powder. No, not this one. You can put some ginger. Yeah, curry, yeah. Right thing, man. Boom, boy. Alright, what else? Alright, chicken season. I'm good. I want enough seasoning because I'm natural, you know? Rasta, man. What is that? Something like jerk season. Yeah, man, a jerk season, yes. I'm at moving now. The road me say I know, you know, cooking. See all my salt there. Probably look about some pumpkin soup tomorrow. Boil some tea. Is it? Look more.